I'm going to do a video. Don't know if you can read it. Okay. Egyptian PT 29114. When you have 1 to 14, there's many ways you can look at this. One of the ways is use it as 11 and go down to 4, which is KD, which is 2 and 4, which is the bad cat. 1 and 9 is artificial intelligence, or the bad cat. 20 is two sides of 10 and 10. Okay, another way to look at this is to add them up singularly, 9, 1, and 5. But this is 0, 1, because A is in a position that goes all around. And now that this is said, I want to jump to one more piece over here where it says N, 2 N nens, 2 N needs. 2 N's create an M, and it becomes Lake Mead. Okay, anyways, that would be in Las Vegas. Okay, now what I want to show is this. 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1 in the top left corner here. 3 in the bottom corner here. 7 in the top corner here, and 9 in the bottom corner here, showing me that of each of one of these blocks, there are 9 areas. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6, 8 are on these lines. 2, 4, 6, 8 are on these lines, using up both sides, creating this bigger in the 9 house. See how 9 is in the corner? 3 is on the inside. Well, the area space that's here, the area space that's here, here, and here. Get the numbers 3, 7, 3, 7. They repeat. And 4 and 6. These numbers here in the center, okay, we'll get 3, 7, 4, and 6. It says gold, and it says the diameter of the moon, 3476. 10, 10, 9, 11, 9, and 2 is the birth of two sides. I must go around. I can't go through the center because that's an area space. Area space with the energies compulsed with each other. I must go around. I must go around. Okay, this is the bottom. The bottom, I think, is a little bit different. Okay, I think the bottom's a little bit different, but we're just right now going to speak about ears and going around. Okay, 7 by 3, 21 and 10, 31. 6 by 4, 24, 34, total 65. This would be total of 27. This will be a total of 28 and 11, 39. This is the cycle of the moon. This one over here, it stands for Jupiter. And this one is, this is Saturn. This is Venus. Why? Because this one will become 54, the sun, and then it'll become 81, Venus. This one, okay, will be 78, and it'll be the separation of the gateway. 5 and 4, 9, 7 and 8, 6. This one will then become 71, 8. This one will remain 9. So the high sky separation of the half-life of creation and the sun of Venus. Okay, that's it. Raphael, 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching. Okay, as we ended in the last video here, we get this over here, these numbers over here, 3, 4, 7, 6, 3 times 4, 3 plus 4, 6 times 7 plus 7 equals 12 and 42, 54, number in the sun, the foxhole. The IT system of creation, number 29, becomes 11. This will end up to be 2, becomes 62. Now on this side over here, we run into the same numbers. 12 and 7, 19, artificial intelligence. 55 equals to 35, will equal to 23, will equal to 11. When it equals to all these numbers, it's BC communication. It's a different kind of communication. It's 2 and 3, breaking and entering, the E world. This equals to 20, becomes 67, becomes 80, 86, 2 times 4, 2 plus 4, the creation of the 9 lives of the cat. Because of the 0, we get 6 to 86. Because of the first addition of the 0, we can bring that up to 92. Okay, 86 will become 14. 86 is over here. 86, 96 equals to 100, becomes 166, or the half-life. I know we're not following each other because I didn't say it the way it should have been said. But 68 or 86, depending on how you want to look at it. 4 times 17, 68. 4 times 2, 4 plus 2. 3 times 17, 51 Mars. 15 is 1/4 of time Mars. 86, 2 times 17, 34 DC, which is recreated from this number over here. 34 repeated. Creates 5, 6, and 7. 5 times 6, 30 creation. 5 times 7 equals 35, the same number we had before. Electric company, okay, 1 and 2. Okay, 6 and 6, 1 and 1. The total creation, this will create 7 times 6, 42, the same number we had over here. Create 210, 9 days of 24 hours. 0 equals 6, 216. 216 plus the 18, 228, plus 6, 234. 228, 234, two sides. Okay, now we're going to go back one step. I'm going to take a look where I am over here. We're going to go over here. It's 4 by 7. This will total 39. This will equal to 46, equals to 34. This equals to 11. And 9 equals to, sorry, I don't know how I get this number. 11 plus 9 is 20. This will become 26, this number over here. Then once we multiply it, it comes down to 20 again. Okay, 4, 8 equals to 12. 3, 6 equals to 5, and 4 is 9. Creates 9 and 3, and this is the sky system back over here. And this one over here, 9 times 3 will equal to 27 and 12, equaling to 39. The sky system, Saturn Skies, C-I-L, the painted sky, because it's a paint company, and that's how I work. This becomes 6. Add 6 to this. I'm back to 99 over here because of the 0. 4 and 6 and 8 equals to 18. We're going to just draw over the numbers. 8 and 1. 3 and 1 carried is 4. 5, 6 becomes 108, becomes 168 because of the hours in the week. 7, the spirit, inside 68, which is the half-life, 168 hours a week. It's the half-life, 84 and 84, Pluto sky. So that's the basic scenario of how that's all added up, right? Raphael, thank you for watching.